I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy lemon meringue pie. First, let's get started on the crust. You'll need a simple graham cracker crust, which comes together in about 10 minutes. Just combine 1 1/2 cups of crushed graham crackers with 1/4 cup of melted butter and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Press this mixture firmly into a 9-inch pie plate and set it aside. Next, we'll create that wonderfully zesty lemon filling. In a saucepan, whisk together 1/2 cup of fresh lemon juice, 1 cup of sugar, and 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Cook this over medium heat, stirring constantly, until it thickens to a beautiful, pudding-like consistency. Then, remove it from the heat and quickly stir in 2 egg yolks and 1 tablespoon of butter for extra richness and flavor. Now for the star of the show, the fluffy meringue topping. In a clean bowl, beat 3 egg whites until soft peaks form. Gradually add 6 tablespoons of granulated sugar, continuing to beat until you achieve stiff, glossy peaks. Carefully spread this beautiful meringue over your warm lemon filling, making sure it touches the crust all around to prevent shrinking. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes, or until golden brown. Once your pie is out of the oven, let it cool completely on a wire rack. This is crucial for the filling to set properly. After it's cooled, refrigerate the pie for at least 4 hours or even overnight. A well-chilled pie not only slices beautifully, but also offers the best flavor experience. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Serve your delicious lemon meringue pie and enjoy every sweet, tangy bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.